So I want to talk to you about these Neporal backup emergency light bulbs. These are really cool. Comes in a package of 4, just like you see here. The company sent them to me to do a quick review, and I just want to talk to you about these light bulbs. So they have a built-in battery built into the actual light bulb itself. So when the power goes out, you have some light, which is really important. So you plug it in to keep it, you charge it up. That's how you use it. And you can see here, when the power goes out, you have a flashlight light bulb. You can hang it any way you want to. As you can see here, it has a clip and an on or off switch on this little piece right here. Really easy to use. Functionality is nice, and you can see it in my lamp here. So I put it in my lamp. You can plug it into any lamp. It fits perfectly. As you can see here, I'll turn it on. That's AC, and you can see it's beautiful, nice and warm, 3000 Kelvin. So I like that temperature. You can see how that works. And also, when the power goes off, what I suggest to do is I just take the bulb and just hang it on the side, because it has a switch to it. So you can just turn the switch on and off. And that's the easiest way, as far as I'm concerned, as far as using this. When the power goes out, just hang it inside the lamp and you're good to go. Just like this, and you have a light. Really nice and easy. And if you want to turn it on and turn it off, it's just as simple as hitting the switch on top of the bulb. Really easy and very convenient. Works great. About 4 to 5 hours of use out of it, and you just leave it on to charge it. Really super simple. I love the way it works. I love the way it looks.